Hello student. In this video I am going to solve the most expected question in JEE 2020 from the chapter P block elements. Let me solve the question one by one. From B to H6 all the following can be prepared except, now see this one here. So we know particularly the structure of the water, that is the diborane here. So see this one here. This is the structure of the which is the diborane. Okay. So the next thing is what you have to identify which of the following compounds cannot be the prepared. So in this particular structure we can identify the two sets of the hydrogen. Just identify the two sets here. One of the set is the terminal. We can identify the four terminal, that is the hydrogen. So especially this terminal hydrogen. So this terminal, that is the hydrogen. Okay. So can be which one? Which can be replaced. The terminal hydrogen can be replaced, but not the which is the bridged hydrogen. So especially this is the second set of the hydrogen which cannot be replaced. Okay, which cannot be which is the replace. That means we can replace only the 4 hydrogen but not the 6 one. Okay, you just identify in this case. Okay, here they are given the CH3, that is the 6. That means all the hydrogen if is replaced by the methyl. But here what you can identify, these that non, that is the particular the bridged, that is the hydrogen, that is the hydrogen cannot be replaced. Hence this compound cannot be prepared by using the which one, that is the diborane. Okay, so next one. Which compound is formed in the borax bead test? Okay, remember this test here. Okay, during the boron there is a borax bead test. There is a formation of the which is the metal, that is the metaborate. There is a formation of the which is the metaborate during the borax bead test. Okay, so let me take the particular example. If you're talking about the cobalt oxide, so whenever it is reacts with the water, that is the B2O3, and here we are going to get the which is the cobalt, that is the meta, that is the borate. Okay, so this is the product what you are going to get. That means during the borax the bead test there is a formation of the which in the metaborate, and the option is which one, that is the B. Okay, so next one. BF3 is used as a catalyst in several industrial processes due to its. Okay, just identify this one. The particularly in the boron trifluorides, you just identify the boron. Okay, as an incomplete, that is the octet. So even though the particularly the compound form, but it is a which is the incomplete, that is the octet. That means it has a which is the boron as that is the empty. We can identify the which is the empty, that is the p atomic orbital. So because of that case it will be used in the industry, that will be act as a which is the catalyst here. Okay, so now you can identify here. So now we can identify what exactly this one, because if there is the incomplete, that is the octet, hence they act as a which is the Lewis acids. Okay, next one. What is the product X in the reactions? I just go this one here. So they are given the which is the 2 boron plus 6 moles of nitric acid, which gives, okay, whenever it reacts with this one, here we are going to get, okay, just identify here we are going to get the which is the orthoboric acid. Okay, and the byproduct will be the which is the nitrogen dioxide. Okay, here we got the which is the orthoboric acid. Okay, hence in this case the option is the which one, that is the D. So next one. Aluminium hydroxide dissolves in acid to form. Okay, let me take the particular the acid. Okay, I'm going to take the which is the sulfuric acid. Aluminium hydroxide. Let me take the aluminium hydroxide reacts with the sulfuric acid. It forms the respective, that is the aluminium sulfate. Okay, let me write in the ionic form, that is the Al3 plus, and also you are going to get the which is the SO4 minus, and here we are going to get the which is the water. Okay, so I am going to balance the particular the equation. This is the 2, and here it is the 3. Here also the 2, and here it will be the 3. You just identify. So what does it form? The aluminium ion. Okay, hence in this case the option is a which one, that is the B. Okay, next one. The thermite is the mixture of. Okay, the particularly the thermite which is used in the which is the metallurgy process here. The thermite is a mixture of the which is the ferric oxide and also the which is the aluminium powder. It is a ferric oxide and also the which is the aluminium powder. It is a mixture of ferric oxide and the which is the aluminium powder. It is not aluminium oxide, it is aluminium powder. Okay, hence in this case the option is a which one, that is the D. Okay. Okay, so next one. Which of the following is a word the pseudo, that is the word the alum? Okay, you have to remember what exactly the word the alum here. Okay, so remember one thing, I'm talking about the which is the word the alum, not the pseudo alum here. Alums are the which one? Alums are the double salts. Alums are the which is the double salts. Okay, so of the word the formula, okay, just go to this one. This is very important one. You have to remember this example, the formula here. Let me take the word the M dash, that is the word the M dash 2 SO4, and next thing is the word the M2, that is the word the SO4 thrice. Okay, and next thing is we are having which is the word the 24H2. Now you have to identify what exactly the word the M dash. The M dash is nothing but the which is the word the univalent, or else we are going to call it as a which is the monovalent, that is the word the cation. And the M2 should be the which one? So this is very important. The M2 should be the which is the word the trivalent. M2 should be the which is the trivalent, that is the word the cation. So this one you have to remember. Okay, this is what the alum. The pseudo alum means what they shows you what this one. Okay, it is not a which in the word the particle the alum they shows. But here you just identify this is the word the monovalent, and this will be the which is the word the trivalent. And this is the word the divalent, and this will be the which is the trivalent. This is the word the monovalent, and this will be the word the trivalent. And this will be the word the monovalent, this will be the which one? That's the word the trivalent. But what you have to identify, but here you got the which is the word the divalent here. Hence it is not a which is the word the alum, it is a which one? The pseudo alum. Hence the option is which one? B. So next one. Among the word the properties, reducing, oxidizing, and the complexing, the set of the properties shown by the word the cyanide ion towards the word the metal species. Okay, just identify this one. So this particular the word the cyanide ion. Okay, it is one of the which is the word the ambident, that is the word the ligand here. That means they act as a word the ligand. That means this will be the word the one of the property what they can show. This is the word the complexing agent. Okay, this will be nothing but which is the complexing agent. And also they can reduce. Okay, that means they reduce. Okay, hence what you can identify, they act as a which is what the reducing agent also. So but not the which is the oxidizing one. Hence we can identify A as well as the word the C. Hence the option is a which one? That is the word the D. So next one. The basic structural unit of the word the silicates. The silicates you are going to get by using this one. If you take, that is the word the OH, that is the word the silanol. In this one, in this case, we are going to remove the which is the hydrogen here. So here we can remove the which is the 4 hydrogens here, and here we are going to get the which one? The SiO. This is SiO minus. Here also the word the O minus, and here also we got the which in the word the O minus. So this is the word the condensed formula. SiO4, that is the which one? 4 minus. This is the word the 4 minus here. This is the word the basic, that is the word the structure of the which one? The silicates here. Okay, hence in this case the option is a which one? That is the word the C. Okay, next one. The hydrolysis of the dialkyl dichlorosilane. Okay, now see this one. So dialkyl dichlor. Okay, let me take in this form here. That is the word the R. This is the word the Si. Here I am going to take the which is the dichloro. This is the word the R. This is the word the chloro. Whenever it reacts with the word the water. Okay, and here we are going to, the Cl is replaced by the which is the word the OH, and we are going to R. This is the word the OH, and this is the word the R. This is the product word you are going to get. But if you take the which is the N number of this one, and here we are going to get the word the particular the word the polymer like this. This is nothing but the which is the word the silicones. Okay, let me write the word the particular silicones here. Okay, and here we are going to, if you take the N number, you are going to get the silicones here, and the option what you are having, that is the word the C. Next one. Each of the following exists except the which one? Okay, now we have to identify. Okay, so just go to this one here. So we are having a which is the word the tin, germanium, silicon, and also what is the carbon. Okay. But you just go to the word this one, especially they belong to the which in the carbon family. This is the carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and the word the lead. Except the word the carbon, but the rest of the word the element, there is a availability. There is a which is the word the, that is the word the availability of which is the word the d orbital. Availability of the d orbital. But in this case, there is an absence of the d orbital, and they cannot show the word the Cl6. That is this one. Okay, because of the absence, they cannot form the word the particular the word the compound. Okay, next one. And the next one, The cassiterite is an important ore of tin. Its formula. Okay, this is the word the ore. Okay, that is the word the its formula is the which is the word the SnO2. Okay, remember the word the some of the word the formula for the which in the particular the ore. Yeah, the option is a which one? That is the word the B. Okay, so next one. Each of the following alloy contains tin except. Okay, so let me go for the which in this one here. So there's your the pewter. Their alloy, so you have to identify the metal present in the particular the alloy. That is the copper we are having, so tin, and also we are having which is the antimony, and also what you are having, that is what the bismuth. But here also what you are having the tin. So see the bronze here, so it contains only the word the copper and the word the tin, and the type metal. Okay, in the type metal we are having which is the lead. We are having which is the antimony, and also what you are having, that is the tin. Here also we are having a tin. Here also what you are having the tin. See in the Germans, that is the silver. It contains the copper, nickel, and also we are having which is the zinc. But this one does not containing a word the tin. Okay, hence the option is a which one? That is the word the D. That is the German silver. So next one. The black oxide of lead is, okay, actually it is a word the mixture of. Okay, this is what the mixture of, it is a mixture of lead oxide and the which is the word the lead. Okay, it is a mixture. This is what the black oxide of lead is a mixture of the lead oxide and the word the lead. Okay, hence in this case the option is a which one? That is the word the B. Okay, so next one. So see the next one. This is what the litharge is a red form of. Okay, just go this one. See the compositions here. Okay, let me write the particular this one here. So this that particular the word the litharge is a which one? That is the word the lead oxide. So if you're talking about the which is the word the PbO2, I think we are going to call it as a which one? That is the word the lead dioxide. We are going to call it as a which is the lead dioxide. Okay. If we're talking about the word the Pb3O4, this is we are going to call it as a which is the word the red lead. So for the litharge, what we are going to call this is the lead oxide. The option is a which one? That is the word the A.